Welcome to this short tutorial on how to read a page with a KJuicer when it has already been sort of juiced. We're going to use this as the first example. This is the presentation of the KJuicer. And so what you see in the navigation interface at this point in time is 4 different commands. This one shows you the statistics, so it will show you how much text has been highlighted in yellow, how much has been highlighted in yellow plus light green, how much has been highlighted in all the 3 different colors. This is the lamp, and the lamp actually allows you to turn the highlights on and off. And this is the tool to share, which we're going to see a little later. The navigation tools are actually the zoom in and zoom out lenses. Now when you are at the level of the original text, as you can see, there's only a zoom out lens, which means you are already at the bottommost level. So the only thing you can do is go upwards to summaries that are shorter. So when you click on the zoom out, basically what the KJuicer will do is it will extract all the text that's been highlighted and make it into a new page so that you can read, say, the short version. If you zoom out further, it will take out one more level of underline and the text is going to be even shorter. And if you do so a third time, you get to the most succinct summary that you have on that page. And as you will see in the navigation interface, the zoom out lens disappeared. Now in this moment you get sort of a nice summary, a nice clue of the entire content of the page in just those 5 or 6 sentences. Now of course you can go back with the zoom in, so you get to more details, a little bit like if you were navigating a map. Okay, but there's also another way that's very convenient when you want to explore a topic, and the other way is clicking on the sentence. So let's say that we're interested in this. The KJuicer allows to clarify references to previous concepts with unprecedented speed. Okay, what does it really mean? I can get more detail by clicking on it. And it says, navigation interface allows readers to go back to any previous topic in just 3 clicks, improving learning dramatically. Okay, let me sink further in. Oh, okay. So now basically I can navigate the page. It's not just that I have my summaries, but I can read it in a non-linear way. Let's have a look at some more complex document, because this is a simple one, so it'll probably take me just 5 minutes to read the entire piece, right? So the advantage is not so big. But let's have a look at something slightly more complex. I already know where I want to go. I want to show you how this works on a book. Okay, so here it is. Okay, in this particular case, the document that we're looking at is a real book. So it's something that in paper is going to look like about 120 pages book. Okay, so you can see it's a rather long read. So the big advantage in this particular case is that you can get a very short summary by going to the first level, which is everything that's been highlighted in yellow will be extracted and it's able for reading. Of course, again, you can take away the colors, so for better reading. And at this point in time, the fact that you can access specific concepts in a non-linear way is slightly more useful, because the 120 pages book has been shortened in about a 3-page read. And what you want to go, when you want to go and explore a specific topic, then you actually, again, click on it, and it's going to take you right where you want to go. When you're done with that particular topic, you can of course, browse it down to the original text, but when you're done in 3 clicks, you're back to the main concept. You can explore further, find out if there's something else that pulls your attention here. Okay, this might be another one, and you get a much more flexible way to explore the text. There's another little thing that I want to show you, which is when you share the content that you're reading, you have the possibility to share it exactly where it is. So this was the sharing button that I showed you earlier, and the nice thing about it is that you can copy the link, send it through a message or email, whatever the means, and that the person who's going to receive that link will receive it exactly at the same level and area that you've been exploring. So if you want to send it, in this particular case at the second level, fine. If you want to go at the first level, you'll send the person that you want to share your findings with, and he's going to get exactly what you have been sending him. Again, bear in mind that the user interface will change depending on where you are in the text. So in this particular case, there's no longer the minus because you are at the highest the level, the level of the yellow underline. So there's nothing to go further, and the plus button will appear. In this particular case, you can both go upwards and downwards. You can zoom in or zoom out, and you have the two. When you're back to the original text, it will the zoom in will disappear because you're at the bottom of everything. When you're at the level of the original text and you cannot go further, the user interface modifies itself, and it shows you also the possibility to do the highlights. In this particular case, this is a read-only document, so you cannot modify the underlines of this particular document, but what you can do is actually copy them and create what we call a fork. So with a fork, you just click on the document, it will create another page that's an exact copy of the document that you've been working on, but in this particular case, you can modify. So you want to erase a piece of the underlines, boom, and all of a sudden you can redo them your own way. Okay, so and that's when it comes handy if you want to have your own particular take, and you want to work on something that's been already KJuiced, but not in a way that satisfies you fully. When you will be able to see on your wall that you have actually created your own version of that document. So it will be saved on your personal wall anytime you fork it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and see you soon.